Hey friends, what I have for you, bonus. This is a bonus day of the 12 days of Christmas, and there's two things I want to tell you about. Number one, let's just say you're still looking at everything that you want, and before you know, it's like, oh no, it's already December 14th or 15th or 16th, or however how late it gets, and even the 24th. And it's like, oh no, I didn't place that order to get it in time for Christmas. We got ya. We got ya. Did you know that we have gift cards that you can send when you can get denominations from $10 to $100, and you'll get the email immediately as soon as you pay for it. The email is right there, and you just send the code for the person. And I can even create something really cute, a little gift certificate with your code, and have it created for you and email it to you, and then you can email it to your recipient. So if you wait and you realize, oh, I missed the date, no worries. And then that person can get whatever they want. Or maybe you're like, oh my gosh, there's so many to choose from, and I really don't know what to get that person. We got ya. We got ya. So I can take care of that for you. So don't worry. But then here's a twist. Let's just say you loved everything that I showed, all 12 days of Christmas, and there's a lot of products. I will tell you, I personally use every single one of the products that I showed you over the last 12 days, plus so much more. I use everything. I use our hair care products. I use our nail care products when I do my nails. I use our bath and shower gels. I use, of course, the skincare and the makeup and all of the fragrances. I have so many fragrances. I use everything. If Jaffer makes it, I'll use it. The only thing Jaffer has that I don't use is a hair detangler, because my hair doesn't tingle. So other than that, I use everything, even some of the baby products I personally use. So maybe you're like, but I love everything too. And oh my gosh, how overwhelming, because that's a big expense, right? To buy every single thing in our huge catalog. And this huge catalog to get every single thing. Plus our home sprays are in here. Oh, deodorants, I use it all. So I always say Jaffer has everything that touches your skin except for toothpaste. So use it. So if you're like me and you love it all because you're going to be using it anyway, and you want really great high quality products, why not get the holiday kit? For $25, you're going to get over $200 worth of products. And I'm going to show you what you're going to get. So let's just do that right now. Let me show you what you're going to get. We have a men's fragrance. This is JF9. Green. I think it's called GF9. Or maybe it's just called GF9. I thought this is GF9 green. But anyway, we have the GF9. I'm just saying because GF9 is a big family. So a lot of different GF9s with all the different colors. So we get this fragrance. You will also get the Rose Blossom, which is one of my favorites in the women's fragrances. You will have the Silky Smooth Foot Balm. I talked about that on day 12. So check that out. My favorite moisturizer. I mean, this is our premium hydrator for your face, for your skin. So it's really a hydrator, but if you use the word moisturizer, it's what that is. This is absolutely wonderful. It is the premium top of the line hydrator for your skin. And of course it has royal jelly in it. Also has white truffle. It has all the wonderful special foods for your skin. It's absolutely amazing. So we have that. You will also receive, and this is my favorite color. I use this color all the time. The Sweet Wine Lip Oil, probiotic oil for your lips. Okay, let me get it open so you can see this beautiful color. This is wonderful for your lips. You want to take care of the skin on your lips as well, because that also starts showing signs of aging. So you want to take care of that. And then I absolutely love our Royal primer. It's a hydrating radiance primer. So you always want to put this on before your makeup. I would say I sandwich my makeup between my primer and my spray, my makeup setting spray. So you get this. So all of these are all full size products, not samples. These are all our full size products, over $200 worth of products. Your cost is only $25. Then everything else that you saw or anything else that you saw, you can get it for either 30% savings or 50% savings. Are there any quotas? Absolutely not. Are there any minimums? Absolutely not. Do you have to order every so often? Absolutely not. It's like having a Costco card. You go to Costco, whatever you want to get the product. Costco's not calling you and said, hey, you haven't been here yet. We need you to come shop. It doesn't work like that. You shop when you want to. And bonus, you are also able to make money should you want to. You have that option. So if you want to make a little money on the side, like, why wouldn't you? You have a free website. People you know are going to be buying these type of products anywhere, anyway, somewhere else. Why not let them have the very best? So you get all of that. Plus, you're also going to receive the full catalog with every single product we have, with information about it, how to use it, and you'll also receive the monthly brochure with all the specials. You'll have a free website, and there's so much more and more and more and more. Plus, you'd be on my team, and then I'll get to gift you some fun things too. So check that out. It's a great way of getting your Christmas products and already getting you set up for 2025 with some really great discounts on all the products that you want, or a small business or a big business. You decide on what you want, or no business at all. Just you want to get your products that you want at cost. So just something for you to consider. And the people on my team that are there and they don't want to do a business, but they're wanting to come get all of their things for 30% or 50% savings, I'll call them my Royal Smart Shoppers. So you too can come on in and be a Royal Smart Shopper with me, because even if you're on my team, I'm still here for you, keeping you royal. Bye for now, and Merry Christmas.